This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 98 of building the Ford GT from DeAgostini. In this build, we're getting some parts that we're not going to use. We'll be doing some other parts that are quite interesting though, so don't go away. Looking at the Ford GT Roadster. I didn't realise there was a road version of it, but that's interesting looking. It doesn't look like a road car, does it? It really doesn't. But it's still got numbers on it. It's not really a roadster. It's not a road car. It's a roadster. That's a road. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't think I like it. So yes, this is what we're doing. We're going to be using some parts from the past. We've got some new parts, a new like the edge side piece, but we're not using that yet. We're putting some more parts onto the windscreen, the interior pieces, and then the doors. We're fitting the doors to it finally. So we get to make sure that the doors are built the right way from way back when we built the doors. So yeah, let's clear this out of the way and let's see about getting that built. So the parts supplied today are nice metal underside, but as I say, we're not doing that. We've got a couple of other parts in there, but we're not even opening that pack. I should put that aside and not even open it. In fact, I should put it completely outside. Out the way over there. What we have got from before, from I don't know exactly when before, but way back when, we've got those. We've got, grab it again, the other bit, the big bit, the windscreen and accessories. These are the bits for the insides of the doors that cover over the screw holes, because I needed to make sure I might still be able to get these apart if this bracket wasn't the right way around. I couldn't really tell which way around that bracket had to be on both doors. So that's why they are still there. But we're going to be using those in a minute. We're going to be using these as well. And first of all, we're going to fit those. We need FP01 screws, of which I found a couple in a packet. Always keep your screws. Apart from anything else, you know, they tell you need them later anyway. So I do need these ones now. I need these two screws there. Both of them. Yep. I don't need that packet anymore. Let's get rid of that. The screwdriver for that. And that's going to attach these onto there. This one with the cutout obviously goes on that side with the windscreen wiper. One goes on this side like that. I think they're pretty much covered over by the hood, the bonnet anyway, but I don't know. For now, we've just got these two screws to put in. Get them put in. Sort of hold in place with the pins, but obviously make sure they're not going to go anywhere. That's that one, and the other one. Yeah, that's sort of held in place with the pin, so you know. There we go. Let's get that in there anyway. So there we have that, tidied up, looking nice. So then we've got the doors. I don't remember which way around the instructions say to put them on, but obviously they both got to go on. So they go in there like so. We've got the two pins to locate into the two holes, and then the two washers. And the screws go through the washers and into that. These are FD01 screws, two of which for each side. Let's get a couple of those out to begin with. I thought they would have been bigger than that, but they're not. So let's try a door. I have got the bracket fitted the same on both doors. I'm pretty sure it's the right way. It's basically when it's closed, we've got the flat side next to the door and the slightly angled side that way. So it closes square, and when it opens, it doesn't have to open square. So I think that's the right way around, but we'll find out for sure how it lines up when it all goes in there. So I'm going to have it open and slide that into there. Just built then pop through on the inside. No, closed is actually going to be easier to manipulate. I'm going to close that round. The latch has clicked in. So that is there. But then we've got these two washers. We'll go over that bracket. The screw will go in there. And we do the same. The other one. We'll get that screw. In there. So before I go crazy and tighten those up completely, I'm going to look at the door and see how it fits. Gone in nicely along there. Opens and closes. And lines up everywhere. So I'm fairly confident that that is the correct way round. So yeah, I'll get these screws tightened up. I shall get the other door fitted as well. Then I can pop these back in place and we'll have a look how it looks when this bit is completed. Yeah, there we go. Happy with the doors. They've gone on there nice and secure. The latch works and they open and close, both of them. All good there. I've attached the panels to the inside. They were very tight, so I'm glad I did leave them off just in case I needed to. But I'm also glad that I managed to get it right first time anyway. So yeah, there we have the doors, both attached, both closed up. Looking good. I'm liking the way this is coming together. We've got, as I say, the part that came today, which is the underside to one of these doors. That one. Might be that one. Could easily be that one though. No, I think it lines up better on this side because that makes this sort of lines up with the front here and that goes into the back, doesn't it? So I'm pretty sure that's going to be that side. Next time we've got another one of those, but we're not going to be fitting it then, I don't think. I think we're doing other things. But then we've got the back piece and the other large body part. So it's all sort of coming together. We're 100 issues in, right, basically, aren't we? So it should be sort of wrapping up over the next 10 or 20 issues. So that's that. That's the build so far. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you for more very, very soon. So stay safe. Bye-bye for now.